How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy Gerald Breton Jr. back at it again with another video. Have you ever thought about how a single trading strategy could propel you to success? Well, I'm here to show you how my journey with Doyle's supply and demand scalping strategy is unfolding. This is how week 2 went, sticking to one trading strategy. So I decided to do things a little differently. It is currently Tuesday, February 18th at about 10:06 a.m. MST, so 12:06 p.m. EST. And I just wanted to do kind of like a daily recap, and I'll compile it all together and put it all together for the weekly recap. Okay, so as you can see, February 18th, Tuesday, and I have my MT4 open. So I did take 2 positions. Doyle took a NAS 100. He took a buy position. It hit a 1-to-1 for him, but I unfortunately barely missed that one. So I hopped in a US 30 sell, but then the US 30 sell ended up, I ended up closing that before it even hit like a 1-to-1. And the only reason why is because US 30, if I can get there, is not a part of Doyle's instruments that he trades, like in his trading plan. And like I entered because of this this bearish candle right here, closing below. So I entered and then I ended up closing. But yeah, like it ended up playing out super nice. And then I ended up taking a buy position on gold. So on gold, right here. And I have 3 different long positions on my chart, but just pay attention to the middle one, because the middle one is the one that I entered. There was the retesting the 13 EMA. I entered a long position because this was the initial move right here. I missed that initial move, but then I thought that it would continue. So when the candle didn't close, I entered kind of aggressively. But I kind of used like the same stop loss. I think it was like 27 pips, and then ended up hitting for a 1-to-1. And then as I'm like reviewing the charts, I noticed that this one up here, also same thing. It closed above the 13 EMA, and then it ended up playing out for a 1-to-1. So the candle closed above, you put the stop loss underneath the candle, and then yeah, you just kind of set and forget and let it hit. And like another thing as well, like if I did enter down here, you could let it ride until it closes below the 13 EMA. Then that's when you would close the position. So this first position, if I did enter, it could have potentially been a 2.4, a 1 to 2.4 RR. But anyways, this was my like first position that I took on my own, because Doyle, like I said, he took a NAS, and I just entered like very, very low risk because I wasn't sure. I was just kind of testing out the strategy, but it is playing out and it looks really clean. For those of you that are new to my channel, I am committed to this one scalping strategy because I thrive on quick trades and my busy schedule doesn't allow me to hold positions for too long. I truly believe that with discipline and consistency, I can achieve great results. And if we look at the profit loss calendar, you can see that I'm now up $415 for the month. So far, so good. Off to a great start. Yesterday, Monday, was a bank holiday, so that was a no trading day. Do not trade on any bank holidays and do not trade on NFP. It's better to sit on cash. So yeah, I'm 4% towards my monthly goal of 10K. But I feel like I could easily hit that because I'm supposed to risk 2K, which is 1% of my account, and then hitting a 1-to-1, that's 2K. So like today should have been 2K. There's like multiple like positions that could have been 2K. That could have been 2K, that should have been 2K, and then the oil, like that for a 1-to-1 should have also been 2K. Yeah, it's crazy, like just catching like these little tiny moves. Last week, I set the bar high with a goal to grow my account 3%, and I ended with a perfect 3-0 record. Let's dive into how week 2 went. Currently Thursday, just checking out of our hotel room. Thursday, February 20th. Quick little update. Today was not a good day. Well, it was a good day. Daryl, made it not a good day by taking too many entries. So got stopped out of break even,
but then price like quickly like went above the 13 EMA. So then I entered another position, but then it literally wicked me out. And then when it wicked me out, then it shot up like 40 plus pips. So then this trade right here was because of FOMO. I was like, you know what? Like it wicked me out, and then now it's shooting up. Like when it comes back and wicks down, then I'll get in again. And then, yeah. And then I didn't even hold till stop loss. I was literally like just too emotional, couldn't handle being in the position. So then I just closed it, low key kicking myself, because if we look at my mobile app real quick, so I would have gotten wicked out, I believe. Or let's see here. I don't think I actually would have. No, I wouldn't have. It didn't touch my stop loss. And then look at that. It would have hit a 2-to-1, but even that price action is pretty choppy. Like normally it's supposed to close above and then stay above the 13 EMA. So like right here, closed above, stays above the 13 EMA. And then that would have been an easy 1-to-1. So let's see, let's move that out of the way. Let's say you did enter a buy on this 13 EMA break, and then you put your stop loss below the candle. And then is this a 1-to-1? Yeah, this is a 1-to-1. And then boom, boom, bada bing, good to go. So yeah, anyways, today wasn't a hot day. Let's see my profit loss calculator. So took an L, now I'm down 3.2K for the month, which is kind of going the opposite direction than what I wanted to do. It's not as perfect as last week, but I'm still proud of the results because I didn't trade Friday instead of blowing my account, because I was feeling pretty emotional all week long. Doyle was killing it with the team, and I just kept slacking, kept sleeping in, and I wasn't catching these same positions. This week brought its fair share of challenges too. I struggled with over trading on Thursday, and I missed an opportunity on Friday due to lack of sleep. However, I stayed true to my plan, only risking 1% per trade and limiting myself to 2 trades per day. One notable mistake I made this week was not following my exit strategy during a winning trade. I got greedy and FOMO, and I was really emotional and ended up closing the trade early in drawdown when it hit take profit when I came back to the charts later on, which cost me potential profits. So lesson learned, stick to the plan. It hits your take profit or hits your stop loss, or vice versa, hits your stop loss, hits your take profit, and that's all you can do. Reflecting on this week, I'm planning to adjust my sleep schedule. I'm considering setting my alarm around 9 p.m. so I can get to bed early. You know what they say, early to bed, early to rise, makes a man young, healthy, and wise. I'll also keep my lot size consistent, so I am risking 1% every single position that I enter. This week, the market showed some volatility, particularly with gold and indices. While the bulls seem strong, I noticed some bearish reversals. Doyle's strategy advises remaining cautious, and I focus on identifying strong setups before entering trades. There's a lot of choppiness this week, and normally when it's choppy, there's no setup. I want to hear from you. What adjustments have you made to your trading strategy recently? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I love connecting with you guys. I'm curious to know what you believe is the key to overcoming trading challenges. Is it A, too much planning? B, emotional control? C, market analysis? Drop your votes in the comments below. Moving into next week, I'm planning to trade on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'll be sticking to the strategy and focusing on quality over quantity. I'm setting a new target. So last week it was to increase my account by 3%, but I actually ended up dropping 1.5%. I believe I can achieve this with disciplined trading and adhering to my trading strategy, as well as perhaps I don't make it a percentage goal, I make it a sleep, waking up early to trade market open goal. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, there's no holidays, no NFP, so I will be trading every single day. So I plan, when I give you week 3 update in the upcoming video, that I have taken positions on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, or at least have woken up, and if there was nothing, I didn't enter. So that is my goal, to wake up for every single morning trading session. To sum it up, this week I ended with a record of 3-2. I faced some challenges. I learned some valuable lessons about patience and risk management, as well as going to bed early so you can be up and at 'em early in the morning to trade market open. It's all a part of the journey. If you're enjoying this journey with me, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and notification bell so you're always up to date on if sticking to one trading strategy is worth it. And be sure to stick around for next week. I'll be sharing my favorite trading tools and giving away another $50 USD via Bitcoin to one lucky commenter. So I'm gonna pop the username up right here. Congratulations, I will reach out to you and figure out your Bitcoin address and send you the $50 for commenting on last week's video. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you can be notified to comment and also be entered into the next upcoming giveaway. Thank you all for your continued support and encouragement. Each of you inspires me to keep pushing forward. Until next time, happy trading, and remember to stay disciplined and focused.